YouTube and welcome to this episode of the Gunman Raw. So today we're going to try Taming the Beast. So this is the Beast and I've struggled over the years with it. I've had good results and bad results, but what I ended up doing this morning was changing the settings a bit and setting it up by feel, not by exact settings that anyone has left with me. I did that on the bumper and I found that the results were actually a lot better, so I thought I would take you guys through that on this job. Anyway, let's get into it. Taming the Beast, mate. So yeah, a lot of the time when you use this gun, I'm always scared that I'm going to get run. And what I ended up finding, you can see even still, like it's heavier here and here. See what I mean? But I don't want to muck with those settings because they worked this morning. I still probably need to tweak it a bit because the edges do look heavier than the middle. But you may notice straight away that the overspray is a lot less than usual. So previously I used to run it at 2 bar pressure. I've dropped it right down to 20 psi. I do feel a lot more comfortable painting like that. So with the lower pressure, for whatever reason, I think with the higher pressure, it's like it concentrates on the edges of the fan. Now, I don't even know the exact settings on this. I can tell you. I'll show you what it is. So we'll go right in. We'll go, what's that? 1, 2, so that's about 2 1/4 turns out. So 2 1/4 turns out, that's on the fan. So we go right into spot, then 2 1/4 turns out, which is actually further open than I did have it before. So I might have had it too far closed before. And now we'll check the fluid. Because as I say, I didn't even know what these settings were. I just set it by feeling. Now we'll go in 1, 2, 3, 4 full turns. So 1, 2, 3, 4 full turns on the fluid, which is actually, hold on, oh no, that is, yeah, that is actually still restricting that fluid a little bit, so it's not full fluid. But anyway, I feel confident that that's not going to run. Again, if you think you've got some better settings, and also I don't feel as if I was using a stupid amount either. So the two biggest things with this gun previously, it would use too much material and it was dangerous. I felt like I was going to get run. And I reckon I've nailed both of them. So yeah, there were some people in the comments in my previous videos when I used it leaving me lots of settings and lots of comments. So thanks for all that feedback. Anyway, I'll turn this cam off and I'll show you the second code in a minute. Rightio guys, back to it. So it's been a good 5 minutes and it's a really warm day today. So it's like 35 degrees. So that's well and truly nicely flashed off. But yeah, look, I'm very surprised that I'm spraying clear at such low pressures. But as I say, sometimes you just gotta set a gun up by feel, not by exact numbers or what you might think it's going to need. Because this gun is definitely an unconventional gun. It's not like any other gun I've used. I guess part of what the lower pressure is doing is slowing it down too, but you're also reducing the overspray. fan looks pretty full, really. Like, it doesn't look top or bottom heavy. I could probably say I still see it's a little bit heavier on the edges, but not too bad. I'll just quickly wet that back up quickly. I probably shouldn't have used the fast reducer, which I did use, but it'll be okay. I'll wet it back up. This part here is just a little freebie. My boss said I just came up to this heavily faded bare plastic. So forgive all of the scratches in it. It doesn't matter. It's just a tidy up. It looks better than white, milky white, crappy plastic. Anyway, let's have a good close-up look at it in a minute. So there we go, guys, that's it. I'm pretty happy with that job, 400 mils. Keep in mind I did use a little bit on those mouldings over there and a little bit on there. But that's just about on par with what you would probably expect to use out of any other gun. It's gone and gotten that factory orange peel, so it's not too flat, it's not too peely. That looks just right to me. So I might start using this a little bit more often. I think I've tamed the beast. Danny, I've finally tamed the beast. Woohoo! I feel confident using this. So let us know what you think. If you'd like to see more of this in the future. And until next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out.